The sun radiates energy in all directions. Less than 1/100000th of that energy reaches Earth. That amount of energy is called the solar constant. Around the equator, where the sunlight is most direct, the solar constant equals about 1,400 joules of energy per square meter every second. With nighttime, weather, and the curvature of the Earth, the average amount of solar power reaching the surface is only about 180 joules per square meter per second, which is the same as 180 watts per square meter. Amazingly, this is about double the power needed to heat and cool a modern home and to run modern appliances. That's really good news. It means our movement to 100% solar power is a real possibility. Think about that. Good energy.